Coucou mes amours, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's your girl Life of Ketsia, Congolese girl in China. Yes, so guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this synthetic hair into a wig with only this glue. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And you'll notice that I did not show you the whole process because, you know, space and all that, but regardless, you guys will enjoy this one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and so guys, this is just me arranging the hair before starting. And so guys, here we are already. Trust the process. Yes. See how the hair is bouncing and all that. Oh my. So guys, I can see the glue, the bottle of the glue was small, so I decided to sew this part only though. Guys, here we are, almost done. Yep. Yeah. Here we are, finally done. I'm gonna try it on. Yes. See how it's giving already. I'm gonna brush it and all that. So yeah. A closure, yeah. So yeah, I kind of like it though. It's actually not bad. Especially like this, like simple and all that. Yeah, I know it's a Brazilian or human hair, but baby, it's actually giving, you know, bouncing and all that. Yeah. So guys, there's a mirror here. Cannot. Oh my god, this is me. Yeah. So yeah, you guys think about the wig? But I think it's bouncing. So yeah, this is it. So yeah guys, this is it. This is the wig. Tell me your think about the wig. How did I do? From a scale to 1 to 10. You guys should rate me. Okay. I actually like it though. It's giving. Baby. It's actually not bad. You can actually rock it nicely. Just need a nice outfit and all that. So yeah. Tell me. Is it a 10? Is it a 5? What? Yes, I love it. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Comment and share. Okay, let's grow this family, baby. Please, let's do that. Okay mes amours. See you in my next video. Bye.